lang. What's up mga Lodi? Good morning. Welcome to Break Motor Shop mga sir. Ayan, nakasetup na itong mga bossing. Na-install na natin kagad yung pinaka front caliper dito ni bossing. So, rear disc brake din to mga sir. Oh. Yan si bossing. Shoutout natin si bossing mamaya. So, rear disc brake conversion yung gagawin natin dito sa motor ni bossing. So, let's go mga sir. Start na natin kagad yan.
You pretend to listen, you pretend to care. You call yourself a friend, but you're never even there. No, all I can say is you're getting in the way, and you're making up things that aren't true. Take what you need, but there's nothing left for me. It's a phase that you never outgrew. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about the things that you wanna do. It's all about you. It's all about you. I can't believe the things that you put me through. Every stupid story, every crazy lie. You love to play the victim, but I'm so bored I could cry. Yeah, all I can say is you're getting in my way, and you're making up things that aren't true. You take what you need till there's nothing left for me. It's a phase that you never outgrew.
Hehe na. Ayan mga boss, rear disc brake conversion, Air of V2. Sa harap, palit ng caliper. Brake master, left and right. Okay, testing na yun, testing. Yan si bossing oh. Galing na Marilaw. Ay, gee! Miskis na. Yan mga boss, pagka gusto nyo magpa-display dito sa akin, ano kayo dito sa may barangay Malaria mga sir. Pwede nyo pong i-waste Break Motor Shop. Tapos pag may mga inquiry kayo, pwede nyo ako i-PM sa page natin mga sir. Boss, testingin mo para mapil mo yung preno. Tingnan yung bossing. Pitik-pitik mo lang sir preno. Lakas na rin yung harap mo kasi yung caliper mo sa harap malakas yung piston. Pagka nagpreno ka sir, sa likod muna tapos dito alalay. Alalay lang yan. Tapos sa likod sir, pagka alam mo namang hihinto ka, kunyari magta-traffic, alam mo hihinto, ang preno mo sa likod, pitik. Huwag mong iwa one time na ganun muna. Pwede naman yung ganun kasi pang emergency mo. Kunyari biglang huminto, yun, gagawin yun. Pero pag alam mo namang hihinto ka, bomba-bombay mo, mas makapit yung preno pag ganun. Salamat kay bossing. Good sa boss. Bye. Moto.